Hello everyone, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create your own weather application using OpenWeatherMaps. So on the screen you can see this is my web page I have developed using the OpenWeatherMap data, and I'm using their package which is called OneCall API. So this is the current weather, and this is rain this hour. After that, 24 hours data on temperature, feels like, wind speed. I will talk about this later. And then there is hourly data. Then there is daily forecast for the 7-8 days. And this is the raw data I got from them. Yet plotted. This is raw data but plotted. So let's go to our Open Weather Map website. Let's type Open Weather Map. So this is the OpenWeatherMap website. No, this is not. This is Rapid API. We don't need to go there. Go back. It will be this one, openweathermap.org. You have to go over here, not the first one, the second one. So this will brings you to OpenWeather website. So on this website, from this website, you will get the data. What you need is get the API. The API is the key that you will use to get data. For example, if I go to API, so there are many packages: OneCall API 3.0, pay as you call, and many other things. So current weather data. So if I go to current weather data API, this is free. So first what you need to do is get your account. I have already account, so I am logged in. So I will be using my API key, but if not, then you have to create an account, get a login, verify it. Once you verify it, then you will be able to get your API keys. Okay, so then you can go to my API keys and generate a new API. For example, I go to my API keys right here. So there are 3 keys. So if I want to delete it, I just remove the key, and this one also. Then I will create a key. I can say it temporary key and generate. So this is my new created key. And remember, you have to wait for like a couple of hours to use this key. It will not get instantly activated. So if I use this key, this may not be working. Let's try. So let's go back to API. Oh, sorry, but first let me copy this. Let me copy this new key, and let's go to where we should go, to APIs. And there's so many things, but let's go to our help. How to start, how to make an API call, current weather data. So this is simple. Here is the link is given. Open another tab, type it, replace the API section with your key. Is it done? It's not done. No, it's not done. Let me copy it and open Notepad for this. Where is the Notepad? Here it is. So let's copy it here, and let me get the latitude, longitude. So longitude of Islamabad. Here it is. So this should be the latitude. Let's maybe I can zoom it a bit. Alright, so what I've done is I opened Microsoft Word so that you can easily read what's on the screen. So from here we will copy our latitude and go to, and within the brackets this lat, this will be replaced by the number, and let's go back and get our longitude, and let's replace this one too. Here we go, and now we need the API key. So for API key, let's go to our web page where it was. So this is the one. Let's copy this and go back to our Word and paste it here. Alright, so anyways, so don't mind the font. So let's copy this thing and go to our web page and paste it here and enter. So this is working, and this is the data I'm getting. This is in the JSON format, JSON variable format, and what I have received, let me copy it to Word so that you can see it what it is. So I hope that this is now more visible. So these are the coordinates: longitude, latitude, weather ID. This is the current weather right now. So this is what I have received. So this is the basic data you will receive. And one thing more, let's try our new key. Let's go to Word, Control Z, undo. Yeah, here it is. If I paste my new key and now copy this, let's see if this works or not. So we enter. So this is my new key, and I am getting an invalid API key. So this key will take some time. The new key will take some time, like couple of hours to get activated. So don't get worried, because initially when I tried this, I thought I'm not doing something right. So the key will take like couple of hours to get activated. Once it is activated, then you can use it. So I'm using my old key, which was this one. Okay, so this is the key I have used, and this has resulted in this data, which is basic data. So you can you can use this data without any problems. You can get this data without any problems, but I am using this one called API 3.0, and this is the package I am using. And if I go to API doc, so this is the one. Let's use this command or this reference by replacing my latitude longitude Control C, and okay, I don't need anything to include. I want to see whole data, so I will delete this one too. So this is my new URL reference. Let's go to my open a new tab, paste and enter. Okay, the API key is not valid. Why? Which key I have used? My API keys. So I should be using this one. I think this is the one. Oh, this should be deleted now. I think this will be working now. No, this %20 should be deleted. This should not be deleted, and enter. Oh, this is the data. You see, this is the data. This is the data for 8 days. You get minute report, you get current report, you got daily report, 24-hour report. This is the data I have used to where is that, to make this report. Okay, so now the question is, if I go to API keys, sorry, to this API page, so this is what it is saying, that 0.0012 GPP free. So you have to subscribe to this, you have to give your credit card number, but you need to know that 1000 API calls per day are free. So this is good enough for one person. So my report saying, because I am testing nowadays, so if I go to my profile and billing plans maybe, or yeah, so if I go to my usage data, so you can see that all the calls I have made haven't crossed 300. So you can easily use this key for free. All you have to give is, yeah, you have to share your credit card details, and you can limit your the interesting thing is that you can change this number, calls per day. So if a call exceeds 1000, then you will be billed, otherwise there is no billing. So I suggest that you get this key, and this will help you. Okay, now go back, let's go back to our report. Where is that? So this is the report. So this is for Asia, Karachi. This is for Islamabad principally. This is time zone Asia, Karachi. So what I have done is I have created few files. So if I want to see London, I click on London and say read configuration and get data. So this is the London position right now. This is 24-hour data for London, and this is daily forecast for London. So if I want to change to New York, so this is New York. So what is in the file? Let me show you my file also, which, yeah, so where it is. So this is New York. Let me copy this to Word and make it back. Where is Word? Yeah, so this was in the text file. So this is the JSON format. I will talk about JSON format later, but this is the file that you need to create the latitude, longitude, and the API key. So I have saved this data, and I can import this data quickly into this HTML application, I would say, and you can use this quickly. So this is the current weather. From this button, I can hide and show this current weather and the next rain in 60 minutes. This is the 24-hour data. So if I want to hide the 24-hour data, I can do that quickly. And this is daily forecast, and I can hide the daily forecast. And this is the raw data which we have received. So this is plotted in HTML format. So I can close this also. Let's go to 24-hour data, and let's try to understand this chart. So the temperature is this red one is the temperature. So if I move my mouse over here, so this will show me 30.56. And the interesting thing is, if I click on this red block, I can hide and display the graph. Feels like it will go away, come back. Wind speed will go away, come back. Gust, go away, come back. Visibility will disappear. Air pressure, disappear, come back. So this is the data, and I am trying to open my heart so I can share the code with you. And if you want to see the code, this is the code. this is the code. This is like 2340 lines code, so I am just trying to open up my heart, share my hard work with you. So once I will share that, I will leave the link to this code in the description of this video. And I have also developed this code for Arduino. So let me try to show you what I have done so far. So this is my serial port, and if you can see on this serial port, so this is the response from the website. So all this data is being received in Arduino, and then I have separated all the data, and this is the data you see, like minute, breathe, and date. On this date, this is the rain forecast, and if I go to this is the R1 visibility, 10,000 meters, or this is 10,000 kilometer. This is temperature 38.79, UVI index 1.64, wind degree 285. So all the data is here. This is in the Arduino with me, and I am going to use it. Actually, I built a web page also. Let me see. Definitely I can use this. Once I have the data, I can use this from Arduino when Arduino is working as a server. So this is so I think you can grab this idea, but there is one more thing. I have a LCD showing some data. Let me try to show it to you also. So this is the small LCD, 16 by 2, I believe, showing some data, and this is connected with my Arduino. So if I go back, the brightness I cannot control, so I have to be very near. So hopefully there you will be able to grasp the idea how to use OpenWeather and its key, and you have to, the data is in JSON format, so you have to do some net search how to use it. And I'm not committing, but I will try to share my code for HTML, and once HTML is with you, maybe with Arduino also, so that you can develop your own weather stations or weather reports. And you can, even if you have this HTML file in your mobile phone, you can use it as mobile app also. Good luck.